Morning, everybody. Just picked up a new tool. It's a Milwaukee. It's the M8 fuel. It's their 8-inch metal cutting circular saw. The 298220. This is just a tool only. We have plenty of chargers and batteries. I bought this to cut some light gauge steel. Not really looking to do heavy stuff, but they did tout on their video and website that it will cut heavy metal. So this is what I bought. I'll be honest with you, I can't remember the price right now, but it's been packaged, picked it up yesterday. I wanted to test it out, so I figured I'd do a quick review. All right, there goes the box. Who cares about a box? This is the saw here. Pretty well built, strong. It's got a removable cover here, so you can get down to the blade. And it's got a, it's a Milwaukee metal cutting stainless aluminum steel strut and all steel blade. And this thing is a beast. I mean, it's just better than I expected it to be. All right, go ahead and put that cover back on there. You can adjust it up and down. Just like a skill saw, you can adjust this part here up and down and set your depths. We've got it all the way up, and so there, and then the handle on the side, and then this right here you can flip up to see your blade. Open that up by pushing this handle. So what we're going to do is, we've got a small thin piece of metal here we're going to cut. You can see this is a cut that we'd already made, and we'll have him go ahead and cut this, and then I'm going to show you how it does on heavier, thicker metal. So let's go ahead and make a cut on this right here. You can see just a nice clean cut. That right there is about 3/16. I don't think it's quite 1/4 inch thick. Go ahead and nick it off right there. And just makes quick work of that steel. And this was a cut we had made prior. So now I'm going to show you what it does. This is some 2x3, and this is 3/16 wall, and we'll just kind of show you how it does on that. That is impressive. And when you get done, it's not hot. I mean, I'm sticking my fingers right on the cut. It's not hot or anything. So I give this tool 5 stars. Excellent, excellent saw, and a good purchase for us. Thanks for watching.